Welcome back to the Derelict Workshop renovation series. In this episode, I'll restore a vintage table and vise and make a homemade paste using beeswax to protect it from rust.
This is the first bit of equipment to be installed here in the pottering shed. It's a rather rickety old bench with a rather nice but rusty vise attached. I got it for £40 on Facebook Marketplace and it needs some TLC to get it into operating shape. So I'm going to strip it all back and we're going to get everything welded up where it's needed and get this vise fully oiled and ready to go. I decided to keep the original wooden top because only one area, which is at the back, is degraded. This area here, woodworm and probably some sort of wet rot. But everything else is sound and it's really quite thick. It's about 4 or 5 centimeters thick. So I'm going to leave that as it is. This vise, fairly happy with it. I should have just used wire brush all over to leave this patiner in place. I used a harsher abrasive here to bring it back to bare metal because I wanted to smooth it out a bit, but it doesn't look very nice. So next time round, I'll probably just stick with wire brush and go at it for longer. It's now time to protect it with something. You can protect it with paint, however, I'm going to protect it with a combination of beeswax and linseed oil. So I'm going to mix it up now and see how it goes on. I mean, that's a pretty basic construction, isn't it? I mean, it doesn't look particularly hardy. No sign of what's happened. Ah, yeah, this is what happened. So we've got a short between the case and that point there. So that's really bad. That's like horrifically bad design. So what I'm going to do is try and push the case out so that it doesn't touch. And then maybe put some sort of plastic in between.
The first batch of beeswax paste was made using boiled linseed oil, and the second batch was made using raw linseed oil. If they work out well, I'll share the recipe in a future episode.
Just to check the consistency, I've let some solidify on this knife, and I can crush it with my finger, which is ideal. So I can rub it on a cloth and it should be easy to spread on tools.
In the next episode, I will restore a vintage pillar drill, removing rust, greasing all the moving parts, replacing broken parts, and protecting any bare steel with the homemade beeswax paste.